to open Movavi video editor and click at the add media files and select the video that you have made and bring it to timeline. Open. Okay, you have to make video like that. You have to make video like that. I'm doing this forward. Okay, then you have to select that point that the person had thrown the shirt and cut it, and this is the point. You have to cut it and select the second point, which is this. You have to delete the center part, then you can see your video. Your video should be like this. You can add your themes, songs. This is your choice. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my video. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, so please subscribe it so I can bring more videos to you.